Okay, so this is my basement. You can see all up on here. What's all crack-a-lacking and happening. Alright now. So that's the Christmas tree and the ceiling is pretty awesome. I think that's my favorite part right now. Anyway, that's the Christmas tree and the big screen TV and the Wii. You can see it. It's pretty awesome. Anyway, just roll up on upstairs. Upstairs. Alright, now that we upstairs, let's look at the kitchen. My second favorite place in the house. So, it's all where we keep the food and the grub and the yummy stuff that goes in your stomach. The stuff that you eat, you know. That's where we keep the beverages and all shit like that. Yeah. Okay, now. This is not mine. This is the Christmas village because it's Christmas time. It's like you saw a Christmas tree all up and down the stairs. This is where we keep the movies, you know. The film. Come get this disgusting. The garbage can. So, that's Danielle. She comes here sometimes. Look at the camera, Danielle. It's Danielle. This is the bathroom. Pretty here. My favorite place in the house. Don't look at me. Turn the camera around. Turn the camera around! That way. Alright now. The office where we keep the computer. It's pretty chill. Pimping. Pretty the upstairs, window. Big window. Big window. Alright now. Let's go uppity stairs. Another staircase. My sister's room. Sister's room. Bed. All that shit. Nobody really cares. This is the bathroom that we share, you know. This is my part of the bathroom. That's pretty much it. Some in there. This is my bed. Okay. Go back down. That's master bedroom sound. Alright now. That's my friend. Hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye!